In the serene enclave of Highland, Michigan, Heather and her fiancé Joshua reveled in the bliss of parenthood with their cherubic one-year-old daughter, Lily. Their picturesque existence was abruptly shattered when Heather noticed inexplicable scratches marring Lily's angelic face. Initially dismissing them as minor accidents, Heather's unease mounted as the scratches persisted, accompanied by mysterious nocturnal disturbances that echoed through their home. Before we let you know what is happening, help us out by clicking the like button. And also be sure to subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss our future videos. Despite their relatively brief tenure in the house, a guest residence nestled within Joshua's mother's property, Heather couldn't shake the feeling that malevolent forces were at play. Suspicion briefly fell on Joshua, but his genuine bewilderment mirrored Heather's own disquiet, prompting her to embark on a quest for answers. Determined to unravel the enigma, Heather procured a state-of-the-art baby monitor equipped with night vision capabilities. With bated breath, she monitored Lily's room, hoping to capture evidence of the elusive intruder. The footage she scrutinized the following morning was chilling beyond belief. In the ethereal glow of the night vision, a spectral figure, vaguely resembling a man, glided through Lily's room, its incorporeal form casting ghostly shadows. Heather's heart pounded as she watched Lily react to the unseen presence, dispelling any notion of a fevered imagination. Terrified, she shared the footage with Joshua, whose shock mirrored her own. Their dread intensified as they contemplated the possibility of a malevolent spirit haunting their abode. Seeking recourse, they enlisted the aid of the Scientific Paranormal Investigations of Michigan, led by the seasoned Mike Priest. As the team delved into the house's history, unsettling revelations came to light. Joshua's mother, Chris, divulged the tragic fate of the previous owner, a fatal tumble down the stairs, compounded by neglect and a slow demise. Furthermore, the guest house's origins, initially intended for a man grappling with schizophrenia, added a layer of complexity to the investigation. With mounting evidence of paranormal activity, Heather and Joshua found themselves ensnared in a nightmarish ordeal. Despite skepticism from skeptics like Kenny Biddle, who questioned the authenticity of their claims, the young couple remained resolute in their conviction. As they navigate the chilling occurrences that plague their home, Heather, Joshua, and Lily cling to the hope of escape, yearning for a semblance of normalcy beyond the clutches of the malevolent entity that lurks in the shadows. Armed with determination and resilience forged in the crucible of their harrowing experiences, they brace themselves for the arduous journey ahead, steadfast in their resolve to reclaim their lives from the sinister forces that threaten to consume them.